Alright guys, good afternoon. We are here in Palatka, Florida, and we found this place right behind me here to eat. It's called Angel's Diner, and it has pretty good reviews online, so we're going to grab a quick lunch and let's go make some memories.
So you can see it's very tiny here. What might have been an old curbside service. I don't know, it still says curbside service there still. I wonder if they still do this where you park and you grab your, or they bring your food to you. It says Angel's Diner, Florida's oldest diner. This is exciting. I'm looking forward to it. Since 1932 it says. That's pretty cool.
It's a cool little spice. It's small, but it's cool. Alright, so I got a BLT, surprise, surprise, with onion rings. You got a club sandwich with fries. We're gonna split the fries and the onion rings, and it looks good, and we're hungry.
So I'm almost done with my meal. It turned out to be really good. Yeah, I had a little bit too much mayo, but like you can see that piece of thick turkey. Well, sometimes you get big piece of ham. So it kind of was a little throughout the sandwich. It was weird. So, but it was good. The onion rings were cold, which was sad because I love onion rings, but the flavor was really good, and the fries were really fresh. So maybe they were waiting on that. So not sure, but it was really good. All in all, I would come back.
Apparently I took too big of a bite for video. I'm still learning. Small bite, then comment, and I'm like, no, the onion rings are good. I kind of waited to eat them, thinking they were really hot, because the fries were really hot. Should have ate them right away, yeah. But they have really good flavor.
What did you think of your sandwich since you're almost done?
My sandwich that's falling apart? No, it's really good. I like BLTs. It's my favorite sandwich to eat. You guys have seen me order them already a couple of spots we've been. It's a good BLT.
The bacon was crispy and stuff,
yeah, the
right?
bacon was really good. The tomato and lettuce were very fresh tasting. Same comment, maybe just a little bit too much mayo in spots, but overall it was pretty good. I would come back. Alright guys, so if you're passing through Palatka, Florida and you want a quick stop to eat, Angel's Diner is definitely a good stop. Thank you for subscribing if you're already subscribed. If not, hit that button down there. We need more subscribers. Come on, keep them coming. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave us a comment down below. And we will see you soon. Bye.